There is no curry. Curry is simply gravy. So there is no specific curry dish we can combine, and there are unique names for each dish.
I think that is a perception created in their own minds, right? We don't have anything like naming as curry.
India, I never found the word curry in any menu of any restaurant, but
If you had to take a guess, which Indian cuisine do you think is most widely known overseas?
Tandoori chicken?
I think it's butter chicken.
Okay, and what about you?
Butter chicken.
Butter chicken or chicken tikka.
Biryani?
Well, it's actually Indian curry. What's your reaction to this?
Indian curry? I don't think so, because Indian curry is like, there are many things in Indian foods.
Oh, curry! I didn't know about it. Actually, the curry is only a mixture of spices, tomato, and onion gravy that is there. But I don't think that should be so famous.
Curry. First thing they say is curry, which is basically an English word. We don't have a word for curry.
Then what's your definition of curry as an actual Indian person? What do you call all these gravy-based dishes?
There is no curry. Curry is simply gravy. So there is no specific curry dish we can combine, and there are unique names for each dish.
So every distinct so-called curry has a different nutritional value, has a different flavor, has different, it's a different North Indian, East Indian, South Indian. There's so many cuisines. It's not just, you cannot just say there is one Indian curry.
I think that is a perception created in their own minds, right? We don't have anything like naming as curry. We have rajma chawal, we have chole bhature, we have dal chawal, we have different cuisines, we have dal makhani, we have shahi paneer, we have malai kofta. So that is not all of them is not curry.
Okay, so this might be really confusing for our audience. So can you give us some example using other countries' food to compare how they shouldn't be grouped together under one name?
Yes, for example, in case of Japanese, we call it sushi. So everything is not sushi, right?
We think of sandwiches, so there are different type of sandwiches. They can be Subway or a hot dog or burgers or a croissant. Some people use croissant as a sandwich. So we are not clubbing them together. Each one of them have different names. So same like Indians have different dishes, they cannot club together as a curry.
Learn different names, I guess, just like we did, no? Burger, hamburger, taco, we know it, they should also.
there are like so many different Italian dishes, but if someone doesn't know, they can just say, oh, it's pasta, like risotto is different. In India, I never found the word curry in any menu of any restaurant, but abroad, like in every, like I lived in Korea for 1 year, so there everyone would say, oh, Indo, curry, they would just say like that. So it's like everywhere else, I don't know why they just want to generalize every dish in a curry. So I guess it makes them easier to recognize or understand that it's an Indian dish.